Today is my fourth session for class 10th student science with chapter light. Session 4. It means this is my fourth class for you on the chapter light. Up to now we discussed clearly light, characteristic, property, basic things about the path changes in the light, like reflection and refraction. Afterward we started discussing reflection, in which I told you that we have to study the reflection term on the behalf of three things. First one is plane mirror, second one is concave mirror, and third one is convex mirror. Up to now we discussed about plane mirror, concave mirror. In my last class I completed concave mirror reflection. Today I am very happy and feeling excited that for the reflection part, whenever I will complete my lecture of today's class, then I can feel, or I can say proudly, that I gave you all the reflective methods with relevant to concave and convex mirror. So afterward, after completion, we'll solve some numericals, whatever things we will give it to you on your online assignment and all. And afterward we will move toward the refraction, in which we will study about the lenses, convex lenses, concave lenses, and after that thing we will able to say that now we are having the complete brief idea of chapter light for class 10. So today now we are going to start reflection in the convex mirror. So again today I am saying that when you will go deeply in this chapter, you will find some similarity between the image formation in concave mirror and convex mirror, and convex mirror and concave mirror. We will find the similarity, and how we will find, for the memorizing purpose I will explain you at the end of my last class for chapter light. So today now we are going to start discussing about image formation on convex mirror. Convex mirror कहते किसको हैं? What do we mean by convex mirror? मैंने उस दिन भी बताया था. I told you earlier. Again I am repeating that if we will take a ball, and if we will take a section of a ball, cut a section of ball, if we will coat the outer side of the ball, then it will become or act as a concave mirror. And if we will coat the inner side of the ball, it means the light will, like this one is a ball, and if we will coat the back side, then what will happen? The light will come to the smooth surface, outer surface, curved surface, and bounce back. And that mirror or the concept is used for making convex mirror. So here is an example of convex mirror, in which we coat the inner part and all, and afterward we'll start doing experiment or start discussing the concept of the convex mirror. So for the first point, if object is at infinity, like listen to me carefully, what happened in concave mirror? We are having 6 places for image object. First one at infinity, second one after C, third one C, fourth one C between F, fifth one F, and sixth one will be P and F. Here we are having 2 positions of object. First one at infinity and second one in the front of the mirror. On the behalf of only 2 object position, we have to find out, or we have to understand the sketch or the diagram of the image formation in convex mirror. So first one for infinity, second one for in front of mirror. So now we are going to discuss about if the object is placed at infinity, So if the object will placed at infinity, same kind of concept will move like in the concave mirror, that the ray will come parallel to the principal axis line. What will happen? They will bounce back. And what is the reflected ray logic or concept between difference between concave and convex. In the concave mirror, the reflected ray will intersect each other at F. The upper ray, which is above the principal axis line, that reflected ray will move into the downward direction, and the reflected the inverted ray, which is down to the principal axis line, after reflection it will move into the upward direction. For an example like this one, that one was the concept for concave mirror. Here I told you in the earlier class also that after striking the incident ray, each and every ray will move into the upward direction. So here we can easily see that the ray will come and it will strike on the surface of the convex mirror and it will move into the upward direction. The ray which is below to the principal axis line, again it will strike to the surface of the convex mirror, and what will happen? It will bounce back to the outward direction. Now we can see that what for the image formation, what we have to do, we have to make the line a straight dotted line behind the mirror for the upper inverted ray and lower inverted ray. So here we can easily see that if we will draw the line in the forward direction from where each will be reflected, both ray, we can easily see that both the reflected ray after increasing into the back side of the mirror, they will meet at a point behind the mirror. They will meet at a point behind the mirror, and that point will be known as F. 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 Okay. So for the another concept, you have to always rememberize, like for the ball concept, because this one is the imaginary sphere from which we can take a part of the convex mirror. So always the focus for F point for the mirror and radius of curvature mirror for the mirror both lies behind the surface of the mirror. Both will lie behind the surface of the mirror. So by which we can easily see that both the inverted reflected ray will cut each other at point F, which will present behind the mirror, So for that I wrote clearly that object place will be at infinity, image place at F behind the mirror, because F is behind the mirror. In the concave mirror, F and C is in the front of the mirror, and in the convex mirror, F and C will be present behind the mirror. So I wrote it here, behind the mirror. Size will be very, very small. Simple, because both rays will intersecting each other at point F. It means what? The size will be very, very, very small. The size will be very, very, very small. In technical term, very highly dimensionable. Very highly dimensionable. It means very, very small. Or we can, in other words, if the thing will be very, 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 very small, it means we can consider them as a point size. We can consider them as a point size. And nature, definitely from the past classes also, I am continuously saying that if any image formation will take place in the front of the mirror, the nature will be real, and if any image will take place behind the surface of the mirror, it will be known as virtual. So here nature will be virtual and erect means इसमें size छोटा होगा, size will become very, 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 very small, but image भी सीधा ही रहेगा. Image will erect. Image will not in the inverted position. वो उल्टा नहीं होगा, वो always erect होगा, सीधा होगा. So this one is the first concept for the convex mirror, that what will happen if the object will at infinity in the convex mirror. Now second thing what I told it to you, that nothing, simply we have to understand that if the image will be in the front of mirror, so for that what we will do, we will put a object AB parallel line strikes at the surface. Parallel line will strikes at the surface. It will bounce back into the upward direction. We will increase the reflected ray, which will cross the principal axis line. Where it will intersect the principal axis line, that point will be known as F. And again, for finding out C, we are nothing to do, just find out the measurement of P and F. Again we will take P and F, where it will come, that will be considered as C, or because what I told you earlier, that F is equal to R by 2. So if we have to find out the distance between pole and F, simply again we will take the same distance. Whenever they will intersect, that will be known as C point, radius of curvature of the convex mirror, which will be also present in the back side of the mirror. Okay. Now according to the light reflection law, the line which will intersect the C, it means it will go to C, it will bounce back to C. So here I am doing the same, repeating the same logic. It moves from A to C and it will move back to C to A. Here we can find that in reflected ray and that AC ray, they will intersect each other between P and F. Between P and F. हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ. पहली किरण जो पैरेलल थी प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस लाइन के, आफ्टर गेटिंग रिफ्लेक्शन वी विल इंक्रीज द लाइन ऑन द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस लाइन, वो F पे कट करता है. PF के डिस्टेंस को फिर से बाई इंटू 2 कर देंगे. वी विल फाइंड आउट द पोजीशन और पॉइंट ऑफ C. वी विल पुट द पॉइंट. नाउ वी विल connect A to C, and we know the logic of the reflection of light, that if any incident ray will intersect C, it means it will bounce back to C also. So the path will be same. And here what we are observing, that both this one line and AC line will intersect each other between pole and F. Between pole and F. So the object, the image position will lie between P and F. The image position will lie between P and F. And by the help of the picture, we can easily observe that the size of the image is smaller with respect to the size of object. And the second important thing, that AB and image both are in the same direction, means the image, the formed image is not in the opposite direction. That's why at that point I wrote it clearly, object position between P and infinity. P and infinity कहीं भी होना का. Image position between P and F, between P and F, back side of mirror. Clearly, if that kind of question will come into the exam, you have to mention that thing, that back side of mirror. Okay. Size will be a small. Here is the size, which is definitely a small with respect to the size of object. And nature will be virtual. Why virtual? Because the image formed in the back side of the mirror. And erect, definitely students, because image सीधा है, that will be, image will be known as erect position. So these are the two positions for the convex mirror. In my past class we discussed about the 6 positions of image formation for concave mirror. So you have to memorize total 8 figures for complete understanding of concave. Hello, someone is unmuting herself, so it's my request to you that kindly mute yourself, because my voice is not an issue. Just attend, focus, and might be possible that there is some technical or network issue in your side, because I am shooting my lecture by second camera also, which I will upload you in the YouTube, and you will get the YouTube link. So no need to worry at all. First of all, might be possible that wherever your mobile is available, network issue will be there. So please try to focus. And one more thing, always unmute yourself while during the class. If I will ask something, then unmute and ask it to me. So this one is the fact, whatever I am trying to say. Total 8 figures, 6 in concave mirror, 2 in convex mirror. After practicing these 8 image formation diagram, you will have the complete idea for the mirror side. for the mirror reflection side. Now two important things should be there. Before moving toward them, we will just give you an example, and example will be there that what sometimes for 2 marks question in the CBSE they will ask it to you that write the uses of concave mirror and convex mirror. Write the uses of concave mirror and convex mirror. Always you can see that that kind of question will contain only 2 marks. So for that what we have to do, we have to write 2 uses in the concave mirror and 2 uses in the convex mirror. 2 uses in the concave mirror and 2 uses in the convex mirror. Yes. So for the concave mirror, shaving mirror and headlight. Shaving mirror and headlight. Shaving mirror and headlight is the uses of concave mirror in our daily life. And for the convex mirror, vehicle mirror and magnifying glass. Vehicle mirror means side mirror. You can see that the object which is very far away from the vehicle behind, वो भी थोड़ा नज़दीक लगता है. So this one is the basic concept. Why? Because convex mirror cover up the large area. Convex mirror cover up the large area. Simple concept is there. Concave है like that. Convex है, definitely it will contain carry the large area. So sometimes convex mirror you can see, if any student's guardian is in defense job, you can easily see that in the front of the gate of any defense premises convex mirror is there to capture the large area, okay. So these are the 2 uses separately for concave mirror and convex mirror. Shaving mirror, headlight mirror is an example of concave mirror, vehicle mirror and magnifying mirror. That will be an example of uses of, yes, magnifying glass. Okay. Now for numerical point of view, अब हिंदी में भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ, अंग्रेजी में भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ. I am repeating my delivering my class in both languages. इस चीज़ को इसलिए मुझे दोनों भाषा में, हमारी दोनों भाषाओं का व्यवहार करना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि this is the very important thing. This is the very important thing what I am going to discuss it with you. Sign convention for reflection by a spherical mirror. अब now you know clearly that what is happening with us. What is happening with us? Yes. In light, definition of some technical terms. First segment. Second segment, pictorial diagram of reflection and refraction with respect to concave and convex mirror as well as concave and convex lens. This one is the second segment. And third important segment, numericals. Numericals in the examination, definitely they will ask one numerical question from light side. The possibility for asking numerical question will be approximate 80%, not less than 80%. Definitely they will ask a numerical question in the examination. So for solving the numerical, definitely we know that what is V, what we have to know that what is V, what is U, what is M. These terms I will explain you in the next class whenever we will solve the numerical questions. For the sampling of all these things I will explain it to you, but for the today's session we are here to just give you the concept that, like, okay, this one is given that the object is placed 10 centimeter in the front of concave mirror. Now for the solving of question we have to know that, okay, might be possible that F is given, V is given, find out U, find out the value of U. How we can find out? So for that, first step 1, you have to understand the logic of the image formation, by which from the numerical question you can easily understand. After getting, like for concave mirror, if that content will be given, like the image is the distance of image from the mirror is 10 centimeter, okay, and F is equal to 15 centimeter. So find out the image, object is at 10 centimeter, f is equal to 15 centimeter, then find out the position of image and its nature. So for that what we have to do? We have to know the concept, na? We have to know the concept clearly, that okay, the f is equal to 15, the distance of the object is 10, it means the object lies between P and F. The object lies between P and F. So whenever just we will know that object lies between P and F, easily we can memorize that what is the nature. Half marks we will get. And for considering V, U and F for the image position, you have to see that concept. Actually this one is the concave mirror, this one is the concave mirror. Okay, so for any concave mirror we will draw a axis, we will draw axis xy axis, or in other word we can say that we will put the mirror, any mirror, on the xy axis. After putting xy axis, what will happen? That will be in the positive form. According to number system by math you can know. Y will be positive also, x dash will be negative, y dash will be negative. It means if anything lies between first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. So always you have to memorize that if anything lies between in first coordinate, it means x will be positive, y will be positive. Whatever the term will be there, we will consider both of them as plus sign. In front of the magnitude we will use plus sign. Here what we will do, if something lies here and the height of something is like myself only, if I am standing in the front of the concave mirror, it means what? The distance of my position in the with respect to concave mirror will be in negative form, and my height will be positive in the form of positive magnitude. So for that I wrote x will be negative, x dash will be negative, and y will be positive. For third one, if any object or image will form in that coordinate, third coordinate, it means x will be also negative, y will be also negative. And if anything will lie into the fourth coordinate, it means x will be positive and y will be negative. Again I am repeating all these things to you, that if anything lies in first coordinate, x and y both are in positive magnitude having. In the second coordinate, x will take as considered as a negative magnitude and y will be considered as positive magnitude. If anything will be available in the third coordinate, it means x will be negative, x dash will be negative, y dash will be negative, and fourth, that will be positive and that will be negative. X will be positive and y will be negative. So here I wrote it clearly in one line that during question solving we use the upper given size sign in the front of the given magnitude. मतलब ये जो साइन हमारा है वही इमेज ऑब्जेक्ट और पोजीशन के लिए यूज होगा. So this one will play important role because whenever we will start discussing numerical questions, easily we can see that sometimes we will be positive, sometimes u will be positive, sometimes v will be negative, sometimes u will be negative. So why it is happening? If the value of v will be negative and u will be positive, it means what? कि ये इधर है दोनों फॉर कॉन्केव मिरर बैक साइड है. इफ कॉन्केव मिरर में वो निगेटिव है मतलब इन द फ्रंट ऑफ द कॉन्केव मिरर है. इन वन लाइन फैक्ट वी कैन इजीली सी दैट in the concave mirror might be possible that if the object lies between f and p, yes, then the image will form in the back side. So definitely for that the sign will be positive. Why? Because the formation of image takes place into the back side of the mirror. Thank you. Have a great day.